Space is supposed to be silent, right? Well, NASA just proved us wrong. They recorded the actual sound of the sun, and it is terrifying. The sun is like a giant bell, vibrating with millions of sound waves. Scientists used special instruments to capture these low-frequency hums that are normally invisible to the human ear. It's not a roar or an explosion. It's a deep, haunting throb that sounds like the heartbeat of our solar system. Listen to this. Pause for 2 seconds for audio. Does the sun sound like you expected? Comment your thoughts and follow FactVerse USA for more space mysteries.